Man, where the hell has Moosejaw been? It's been all day. It's 3:57. I haven't seen him since yesterday. I haven't seen him for probably about 12 hours. Where the fuck has he been? Hey, Santa Shock Monkey. Hey, there you are, Moosejaw. Look at what I stole out of my dad's closet. I found his old sweatshirt from what? Oh shit! Don't fall over. From one who was in the army. Not really. He just bought it from some store. But does it look good on me? No, it's way too big. Oh, I thought it looked good. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but... Is that the fourth one? Yes. It's the Bukutukumobile 4. Because I was kind of getting sick of the other ones. Sorry, I had Cheetos. Get this thing off you. Hey, are you sexually harassing me? No, I'm taking off your damn sweatshirt. Ugh. Oh, shit. Wow. It's raining today. I know, isn't it great? I don't really like rain. Sucks to be you. Oh, shut up. Ow, Dick, why do you keep doing that? Shut up, I'm getting in my car. Damn. Do I look good in here? I am so sorry. I had 5 pieces of cake. What the fuck is wrong with you? Sorry, I had 5 pieces of cake. What do you mean? What do I mean? Why the hell would you have 5 pieces of cake? Because that cake is damn good. Mom does a very good job at cooking cake. It's called baking. Retard fuck. Jesus. It's hot in here. I'm opening them out the window. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah. The sounds of rain. Ooh, there's a Dodge Challenger. Let's zoom in. There's a Dodge Challenger. Neat. I'm gonna take this thing for a ride. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna sabotage him. First, I gotta open up this window. Land speed record attempt. Here it comes. Oh! Oh! Oh, shit! Wow! Oh, yeah. You piece of shit! Oh, I gotta see that. Oh, damn! Oh, shit! Oh, no. I'm gonna close the window. Oh! Santa Shock Monkey? Why the fuck would you do that? The car is split in half. Yeah. The front of my car is gone. Yeah. Captain Obvious. What now? You fucked up my car by throwing it out of the window. Oh god, it hit up there. And it came down. Yeah. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Why? Buku. Oh shit! Fuck! Damn it! Why would you do that? Cause I don't know. Moosejaw, you're gonna fall. Shut up! Just don't make the same mistake I did. Ow! God damn it! I told you not to do it. That's your fault. Bugsy! Little girl. Oh, little girl. Hey, little girl. Oh, it's that little girl. Bugsy. Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I love Bugsy. Yes. Why do I look... What the hell? Why do I look kinda ugly? Because you're a stunt double. What? Yeah, you're a stunt double. That makes sense. I'm gonna try and climb up again. Oh god, moosejaw, why? Because I want to, damn it. Shit. Oh god. Oh! Damn it! Oh god! Ow! You really have to stop doing that. I know. But I'm not gonna do that. Whee! Oh god, why? Oh, shit! Why? That's my question. I don't know why. Ow! 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 Damn it! Ah! Why? I don't know. This stupid fuck. A tree. Might as well. Ow! Damn it, tree. How am I even holding on? I don't know. Yeah, shit. Oh no. Well, at least this grill gazebo provides some decent shelter from the rain. The hand is cold because there's red on my fingers. Oh god, there's wind. It's wind! There's wind all over the place. Oh geez, oh. Loud ass thing, shut the hell up! Jesus. Oh boys! There's that in planes and cars. This is Midwest for you. Jesus Christ. moosejaw, what the hell are you doing at a tree? I climbed up it, and if I try and climb down, I'm probably gonna fall. Well, that's your problem. I'm just gonna go and silently scream at the Midwest for being so damn loud. Why are you walking away from the camera? Away with the camera so ominously? Don't ask those questions that you don't know the answer to. Will you shut the fuck up already? Well, crap, that's a long way down. Ah! I almost fell. Oh shit, oh my god. Ah! Shut up! Damn. God, it's all windy and rainy and crap. Is the grill breaking? No, it isn't. Shit. Hey, look, it's Doc Hudson. Oh, that's wet. Yeah. Airplane! There's an airplane. Yeah. Yeah! Screw you, Doc. There's nothing else to do. Oh, Jesus. What are you doing? Laying in the dirt? Or the mulch? Why? Because... I don't know. I'm a kid, I'm bored. Whatever. Ooh, a toy box. Let's see if there's anything in it. Who the fuck locks a toy box? Damn. moosejaw. Oh my god, what now? You're like my annoying brother. But not my brother, because I have brothers. moosejaw, do you know anyone who fucking locks a toy box? Well, probably because winter and the toy box is usually for summer. Well, that makes sense. I'm probably just stupid. When are you gonna have leaves on it? Wah! Wah! Oh, damn! That's what you get, you annoying bastard. Man, it's cold. What are you doing with me? Don't you dare throw me. Don't you dare throw me. If you do, I am telling Mom. She's your mom. She's not gonna give a fuck. Tell your dad. If you're awake. Wah! Well, fuck. I guess I'm just gonna go grab all my things and his things. Well. Oh, damn it. Oh, come on. Do we really have to go? Yes, moosejaw, we have to leave. Well, not leave, but we have to go inside. You can if you want to. Okay. 5. I'm not coming in. 4. Shut the fuck up. I'm not coming in. Okay. 3. Will you shut the fuck up counting already? Okay then. Die in the elements. Oh, shut up. I'm not gonna die in the elements. What?